my most favorite time of the year. Please bear with me, I'm kind of in a noisy part of the nursery, but I wanted to come back here because there was this cute little shed here, and I thought it would be perfect to decorate and hopefully inspire all of you to decorate your front stoops because 'tis the season, guys. Okay, what I really want to focus on are fresh cut greens. We have so many different kinds, and they're really so versatile. You can make so many different kinds of decorations with fresh cut greens, and they smell great. So here's what I want to talk about. Right now in this shed, I sort of did a little bit more of a modern look. You notice there are kind of more monochromatic gray pots, and also this awesome pot here, which has got a cork base, which has kind of a more mid-century modern look. But in particular, I love these white branches. I think it lends really well to a modern space, but it's not quite complete. So in my hand here, I have this gorgeous Carolina sapphire. Not something that you can usually get around here. Not only is this blue tone so cool and it'll really pull out the white branches, but it also smells so good. And I really think it kind of lends really nicely to this style that we have around this shed. So put that in with the white with the white branches, and then I think this is the final touch. This gorgeous wreath of Carolina sapphire and a little bit of arborvitae right on your door or at the top of your door, and now we have a gorgeous modern look using all fresh cut greens. Stick with me though, because I'm going to do a couple more styles that I want you to see. Okay, my shed has taken on a whole new look, and I love this one too. How am I going to decide what to do this Christmas on my front stoop, because I tend to like all these looks? Once again, the whole focus is using fresh cut greens, but I call this my berry and boxwood look. It's a little bit more rustic, but it's still so beautiful. You can see here, there are a lot of different pots that have this birch, actually bark wrapped around them. Like this really big one is gorgeous with the magnolia and the birch, such a beautiful look. And on the tree inside, we have gorgeous birch ornaments and this ribbon that is actually designed to even look like a birch tree. I love it so much, but I really want to bring out the white a little bit more, so I thought using fresh cut winterberry would really bring out that birch tone and really give it that splash of festive color, and it just looks so lovely to me. I feel like something is missing though. I know. Everybody needs a kissing ball at their house. This is a gorgeous boxwood kissing ball. It's got the white frosted pine cones, and wouldn't that look lovely hanging on a front porch or over a door? And then of course you have to bring a hostess gift to everybody. And this little birch pot with a little red cardinal just says Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas. Let's move on to the next look. So this is my last but not least look. This is kind of more of a traditional, maybe country Christmas look, and this I think is stunning as well. Once again, I want to get back to using fresh cut greens and also even live greens. Here we have some live blue spruces, which you can easily put on your front stoop, and then you can actually plant them in your yard to enjoy them for years to come and always remind you of that special Christmas you all had together. That's the thing I love about fresh cut greens, is they bring us back to that memory of Christmas because they're so fragrant. It smells like our Christmas tree that's inside our house every single year. And I think that is just a wonderful thing. The other thing about fresh cut greens is there's so much texture to them. From boxwood to noble fir to Alberta spruces, you just can't go wrong. Here we have this gorgeous country look using whiskey barrels and pine cones and country ribbons and red stem balls. But what I really love, this is kind of a fruit extravaganza on this one. This is a royal fruit wreath that's got a mix of all different kinds of greens. Of course, we always need the finishing touch, and I really want to just add 2 little wreaths to the side of our door to make it a perfect Christmas, to greet everybody for the holidays. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.